Finland is hiring foreign workers right now with visa sponsorship. So if you are thinking about moving to Europe for work, then Finland is definitely one of the countries that you should seriously consider. So in today's video, I am actually going to explain to you step by step how you can find a visa sponsorship job in Finland. I'll also share with you the types of jobs that are in high demand in Finland that you can apply for. Not only that, I'm also going to show you how the work visa processes work and how long it actually takes for you to get that visa, and exactly how you can apply for job from the comfort of your home wherever you are in this part of the world. So make sure that you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any of the important details that I'm going to share with you. Now, talking about Finland, Finland is one of the most stable and safest countries in Europe, and it continues to experience labor shortages in several industries, which means that foreign workers are needed. All right. Now, the country also offers good work-life balance, very competitive salaries, and clear immigration pathways that can lead to long-term residence. But the real question is, how do you actually get a job in Finland? Now, this is what I'm going to share with you. If you are new to my channel, you're very much welcome. My name is Tilly, and on this channel, I share very helpful tips when it comes to living, working, and schooling abroad. I share tips on visa sponsorship opportunities abroad, scholarship opportunities abroad, even remote job opportunities abroad. And it doesn't matter which country you want to travel to, whether you want to go to Canada, you want to go to Australia, you want to go to New Zealand, any part of Europe. In fact, any country you want to go to, USA, you're going to find all those information on this channel. So you want to join this community by subscribing to the channel and also turning on your notification bell so you are the first person to be notified anytime I upload a video. But I especially want to welcome you if it is your first time here. So all I want you to do is to type in the comment section new here so I can give you that special welcome. And I also want to know which country you are watching me from, because it actually helps me to know the type of information to bring to you. All right, now go ahead and like this video for me as well as your way of support, and share it to anybody that you think is going to help. If you are a returning subscriber, you're very much welcome. Feel free to drop any question that you have as you watch this video. But I know you can't wait for us to get into the details for today's video, so let's get straight into it. Well, like I was saying, Finland is currently hiring foreign workers. So the question is, which sectors are they hiring foreign workers? They have a lot of opportunities for people who are into the healthcare sector, support roles such as caregivers, nursing assistants, even construction jobs like electricians, plumbers, welders, and general labor. They also have roles in IT and tech roles such as software developers and support technicians, logistics and warehouse workers, agriculture and seasonal farm workers, and hospitality jobs like cleaners, kitchen assistants, chefs, and hotel staff. And that should tell you that they have opportunities for everybody. So if you're watching me, I know that you will definitely find something to do in Finland if your goal is to travel abroad. All right, in many of these roles, experience is more important than degree. So if you are saying you don't have a degree, it is not a problem. Some of the jobs require training or certificate, but many of the entry level jobs focus more on your willingness to work, your reliability, and also your basic skills. All right, now to work legally in Finland, let's talk about the visa. You need a resident permit for work, right? And it's very, very important to understand the different types because each one works differently. So first, let's talk about the most common routes that you can use to get your resident permits in Finland. Now, the first and the most common one is what we call the resident permit for employment. This is the standard work visa for most foreign workers, and it is used for jobs like construction, like I said, cleaning, hospitality, and all that. Now, the employer plays a very key role because they must prove that they are hiring you for a real position, and that cannot easily be filled locally. All right, that is why I spoke about the shortage occupation, so that you know. Then there is also another type of visa called the specialist resident permit, all right, which is for people with strong expertise in areas like I said, IT, engineering, or other high demand skilled roles. Now, this permit is usually faster to process than the standard one, and it is designed for professionals who can, contribute advanced skills to the Finnish labor market. So you want to look into the specialist resident permits visa. Another type of visa that you can actually use to go to Finland is what we call the EU Blue Card, which is also for highly skilled workers. Now, this is one of the strongest resident permits in Europe, and it is mainly for professionals with higher qualifications or strong experience, especially in fields like technology and engineering. To qualify for the EU Blue Card, you must have a job contract with a higher salary level compared to normal work permit. All right, then the advantage of the EU Blue Card is that it gives you a faster pathway to permanent residency, and it also allows easier movement within the EU countries under certain conditions. That means that you are able to move to other countries as well, all right, in Europe. Now, there is also a seasonal work permit, which is used for short-term jobs such as agriculture, farming, and seasonal labor. Now, these jobs are usually temporary and last a few months, especially during the harvest season. Processing time for these visas depend on the type of permits and how complex your application is. So on average, the standard work permit takes about 1 to 4 months, and then the specialist permit in the EU Blue Card application usually take up to 1 to 2 months. So in some fast track cases for specialists, it can even be quicker. However, I know that delays can happen if your documents are missing, so you have to make sure that your information is very, very accurate when you are applying. Now, let's go into a step-by-step how to actually find a job in Finland from your home country. Step by step, let's get straight into it. And the first step is to start with a job portal. Now, these are the main websites. They have the TE services, that is official Finnish job portal. They also have the European job mobility portal, and then also they have the Finland job portal. I'm going to leave all the links in the description section for you so that you can check it out. These platforms that I have shared with you are where real employers post jobs. So if you're looking for visa sponsorship job, you want to make sure that you check out these website. Now, the step number 2 is to search using the right keywords. So instead of just typing job in Finland, you can search specifically for roles like caregiver Finland, warehouse work Finland, cleaner jobs Finland, IT support Finland, kitchen assistant Finland. These are search specific words that you can use. All right. The step number 3 is to apply only to jobs that mention, for instance, international applicants welcome, jobs that mention visa sponsorships available, jobs that mention relocation support provided. All right, so these are the areas that you want to search for. The step number 4 is to make sure that you prepare your CV properly. You should use the Europass CV format, which is widely accepted in Europe. It makes your application easy for employers to understand, and if you need help in writing your CV for Finland, I have a CV template that can really help you. I show you exactly how your CV should look. I show you exactly what to include, what not to include, and I show you practical examples. So I'll leave the link in the description section so that you can grab a copy, or you can also search the link in my bio for a copy. All right. The 5th step is to write a short cover letter. Now, this is very, very important. In your cover letter, you need to explain who you are, why you want the job, and why you are willing to relocate to Finland, but keep it simple and very direct. Step number 6 is to apply consistently. Don't just apply to 1 job or 2 jobs. Apply as many jobs as possible and track your application. Now, let's talk about salary expectations. In Finland, entry-level jobs usually pay around 1,800 to 2,500 euros per month, and then skilled or experienced workers can earn between 2,500 and 4,000 euros monthly. In high-demand fields like IT, salaries can even go higher. All right. Now, remember that taxes are included in Finland's system, but you also benefit from a strong public service like healthcare and their social support. Before I continue, let me mention that this video is proudly sponsored by Glamiski. So if you love, jewelries and accessories, you like rings, you like bracelets and all that. Now, Glamiski is offering 80% discount on any 4 items that you pick. You can get it as a gift for your loved one or even for yourself. I'll leave the link in the description section as well. All right. Now, let's get straight into the simple visa process. How does it work? Like I said, first of all, you need to find a job in Finland. then you receive a signed employment contract from your employer. After that, you apply online for the visa through the Enter Finland portal, and then you submit your documents and your biometrics. You wait for processing, you receive your permanent residence, and then you travel and you start working. That's how simple it is. But before you apply, please understand this, that not all job offers online are real. There are many fake agents and scams claiming guaranteed visas or jobs. So always verify employers' immigration information through official finished information website. Okay, do not pay large sums of money to anyone promising guaranteed jobs abroad, because Finland is a real opportunity for people who are serious, people who are consistent, and people who are willing to follow the legal process. So it is not instant, but with the right approach and by following all the steps that I have given you, it is achievable. If you found this video helpful, then make sure that you like it for me as a way of support. Share it to anybody that you think it will help. Subscribe to the channel, as I'll be sharing with you very helpful information about jobs abroad, scholarship, and all opportunities abroad that you are looking for. And if you need help, any guidance, feel free to contact me. My email is in my bio. I'll see you in my next video. Again, the name is Tilly.